More than 80% of Australians live within the coastal zone. When people look at the ocean, they see a big blue carpet of water. They want white, clean, sandy beaches without plants or rocks, so it'll look good and be comfortable. They grow up learning to take from the sea, without even being aware of the damage they cause. But under the surface, there's a magnificent world. A world full of wonder that is rich, colorful, full of life. A world that is fading away right under our noses. And the sad thing, most people don't even know it. Generation after generation, kids grow up without any awareness of the importance of the preservation of marine habitats. They do not realize that mangroves, sand dunes, and rocky shores are vital for the survival of so many animals and preventing the erosion that'll take their houses from the sea. Species are extinct. The corals are dying. There are less fish, less oxygen. The sea is warming and rising. It'll flood the coastal cities if we do not change our ways quickly. The question isn't if it'll happen, it's how fast it'll happen. This is already happening in our backyards. The sea is the most important resource for humanity and is dying. It is our responsibility to make a change, to conserve and restore this amazing habitat. Let's educate our youth in our schools on how to protect and preserve our various marine habitats. Let's raise a new generation with awareness. Let's create jobs that make a difference. Let's fund the Marine course so that it is accessible for our future generation who want and are willing to be change makers for this critical job. Your decision today will shape the future of Australia and the world.